what is process of cell division? The process of cell division involves two phases. 8th class, the process of cell division, it has two phases, nuclear division and the cytokinesis. As the name shows, nuclear division, it means that the nucleus, it divides. The division of the nucleus is called as nuclear division, in which the nucleus divides into two daughter nuclei, while it is followed by cytokinesis. After nuclear division, the cytokinesis occurs. What is meant by cytokinesis or defined cytokinesis? Cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. Now some points, they are very important to know or to learn about for the mitosis or the cell division. Nucleus. What is nucleus? Nucleus is a part of the cell which control all the activities of the cell. This is a nucleus, and it has DNA and chromosomes. DNA and chromosome, they are responsible for the cell division, or they are responsible for the reproduction. These are the bodies, the centriole. These centriole, they form the spindle, and this spindle is for the mitosis apparatus. This is a cell membrane. These are the chromosome. Chromosome, they are like thread-like structures present in the nucleus. And now, what are the chromosomes? The chromosome, they are present in the nucleus, and these chromosomes, they are made up of DNA and protein. This is MCQ. That what are the chromosome composed of? The best option would be the chromosome, they are composed of protein and DNA. And the next is, what is DNA? DNA, it's what is the abbreviation of the DNA? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Now define DNA. DNA is the material which contain complete set of the instructions for developing a new cell and new organisms. That is why DNA is called as the hereditary material. So DNA, this is define DNA. Short question. The DNA is a material that contain complete set of instructions for developing a new cell. Complete set of instructions which are present in the DNA, and they produce the new organism. So DNA is called as the hereditary material.